The way we fly is changing. New technologies are making planes better. They will change how we travel. Imagine a future with faster, cleaner and smarter planes. This future is closer than you think. Electric planes are becoming a reality. They use batteries instead of fuel. This means less pollution and quieter flights. Companies like Aviation are already building electric planes. Another exciting change is autonomous flight. This means planes that can fly themselves. This technology can make flying safer and more efficient. Many companies are working on these new technologies. Joby Aviation is building electric air taxis. These can take off and land vertically. Airbus is developing self-flying planes. They are also exploring new aircraft designs like blended wing bodies. These designs are more fuel efficient. In 20 years, flying will be very different. We might travel in electric planes. Our flights will be quieter and cleaner. We might even see self-flying planes. Imagine looking out the window at the clouds. You know a computer is flying the plane safely. This is the exciting future of aviation technology.